Good afternoon, Americans. This is your favorite alien and Bubba here on the afternoon of Wednesday, February 26, 2020. I wanted to do a serious video today on the coronavirus, or as you call it, CV-19. And as an alien from another planet, this is the question I'm asking. How can you nation states be so lackadaisical and treat things that you should treat with better precautions, like they're run of the mill? Oh, yeah, run of the mill things. Yeah, right. China, for instance. Why would they be doing a. Well, I understand they're doing weapons research, but to do it in a place that's got high population, and then to have one of their lab experiments go out of whack because of the lack of management. For one thing, you wouldn't do a weapons program there on a populated area, let alone your home planet. We learned that the hard way. My ancestors did. They never did that on their home planet. They blew themselves up, but they never blew themselves up with germ warfare like you guys are trying to do here. Anyway, and then your so-called established and advanced nations here, which let people go into China, which China does not have good safety measures. Never did and never would. The United States, which is supposed to be the most advanced country on your planet, doesn't even have that either. They let people exceptions here and exceptions there. Where I come from, there's no exceptions. It's this way or the highway. And there's a reason for it. Now you're finding out why in the coronavirus. So this is what I'm saying, Terrence, and especially Americans. You guys are going to lose over 150 million here in the United States alone because of this virus, because of something you could have stopped. Why? There was no sense on this. And this is what, when the people came in 2030 or 35 and studied this, they didn't understand what was the reason for it. You were supposed to be an advanced society, and then they figured out that you weren't advanced at all. Look at your thing yesterday on your hearing the Democratic debates that you had. That was a sham. And you got all these issues. I mean, you're treating the coronavirus right now. Oh, it's messing up your Dow Jones average. Yeah, right. But you got to realize that a planet and a government and a people, it's not money, it's not politics, and it's not accumulation of wealth that counts. Until you realize that, you're going nowhere. It's the people first, and that means safety all around. And sure, that's going to cramp your style big time. But until you realize this, Terrence, and especially Americans, you're going to live with the fact that you're going to lose 150 million plus here in the United States. China's going to lose 800 million. Asia is going to lose another 500 million. The entire population is going to be dead by 2.1 billion. That's how many people are going to die on this planet when this is all said and done. 2.1 billion. And 4.1 billion will get infected. And the worst thing about it is, according to the records that I saw from 2032, 45, 54, and 64, they could not find what started and why it suddenly ended. It just came on, and then again, we're left. But 2.1 billion of your population was gone, and you never recovered. So when the Mushka came to attack you in 2065, your planet was in no shape at all to defend itself. It was still reeling from 2021. Anyway, this is your favorite alien and Bubba. Good day.